Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can protect your sales in the Google Sheets spreadsheet. So first you can open this spreadsheet and select the cell that you want to protect. For example, select this cell and just right click and scroll down until you find a view more cell action. Just click on it and select protect range. So click add a sheet or range, and I'm going to just select the only cell E4, just one cell, and you can enter description, but this is optional, and just click set permission. So you can editing permissions. You can select for editing permissions. Show a warning when editing this range, or you can select restrict. You can edit this range. For example, I'm going to select this option, just click done, and if you change this cell, will appears the information like this. Okay, that's how you can protect your cell in the Google spreadsheet. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.